Good morning everyone. I am Srishti Sigdar from class 11 PCM. Today I am going to present my maths project on conic sections where I have demonstrated how different curves are obtained on cutting a right circular cone at different angles. Circle, ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. When the cutting plane is parallel to the base of the cone, the curve obtained is a circle. When the plane cuts the cone at an angle which does not pass through the base, we get an ellipse. When the plane cuts the cone parallel to its slant height, the curve obtained is a parabola. When the cutting plane intersects both halves of the cone, the curve obtained is a hyperbola.